Hi everybody, yeah, thanks. Welcome to my channel. I want to go over a trading strategy with you that will make you some money. I know you've probably seen 1,000 million videos, but this one actually works. So, without further ado, what I normally do is I will go first of all to the 15-minute chart just to get my range, so the highs and the lows of the day. So as you see on the bottom of the screen, it tells you the date. Let's go with the 4th of July. Yeah, so let's hit our 4th of July first of all, and let's find out where the high is. So our high is there, and the low of that day would be down there. So what I'm looking at now is the 15-minute chart. So that's just to get my range, just to see where it's going up and down within that day. I'll now bring it down to the 5-minute chart. Now with the 5-minute chart, as you can see, let's say that you came in, you turned your computer on at around about here, and you thought, okay, there's a massive candle here. Yeah, let me go in. Let me go and sell. Let's make some quick money. But you don't know, you have no idea if that's going to go down or up. You have no indication at all without these lines of support or resistance. So what I do is I'll wait till it goes down to this very line, to the bottom of the line here, and I'll say to myself, right, now I need to wait for myself, I need to wait for a candle, an engulfing candle that tells me that this is on its way up. So as this was consolidating a little bit at the bottom here, there's a beautiful green candle here, but that's only one candle. So that one candle only tells me 5 minutes of what's going on. What I'd really like to do is to see a little bit more than that. So as you know, it's a patience game. You've got to sit there, you've got to wait, right? So this goes up and you're thinking, oh no, I should have put a trade on. I should have put a trade on. But as you see, it was consolidating the entire time. And then it went all the way down to here again. So if you were to put your trade on and your stop loss was down there, you'd be stopped out right now. You'd lose money without winning anything. So as you see, it comes back up. It's consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. Now we've got a lovely green candle here. The next candle is also a lot of buyers in the market and not very many sellers. That gives me confirmation that this is on its way up. I would now place my trade right here. So if you place your trade right here, I always think, yeah, it's going to go right to the top and make me a load of money. But what I look at first of all is my resistance and my support levels. So as you can see in this area here, that's got a lot of consolidation, a lot of support resistance levels. So I will be putting my trade on round about here. As it's going up, you think, yeah, here we go. It comes down, but you stay in that trade. I put my stop loss to around about here, just in case it spikes me out. And then you just ride the train. As it comes up to that line, it actually, you know, it goes above. It goes above, it goes above. You're getting hopeful. But then you look across, again, you've got a lot more resistance here. So what I would do is I would take my trade here. I would take my take profit just to alleviate any problems that you're going to lose any money at all. You can always come back in the trade as well. So if you take your profit here, you then see it comes all the way back down again. Now this could potentially go spike all the way up, but you take your money here. As the candle comes back down, it's probably going to hit that. This is a closed market right now, but it's probably going to hit this again. Now when it hits that, you could put the second trade on. So then you're going to have the next trade, and I would say the next trade is going to go all the way up the top. It's already nearly broken that line there, so let it bounce off this range line and let it come straight up. So what you want to see happen, as it comes down to there, now it's consolidating, doing pretty much nothing around this area here. Now we got the high there, we're coming down to hit this low. I'll be waiting for this bounce, and then I potentially put my trade on. I put my first take profit here, where all this consolidation is. I put my second take profit here, and then I have an open take profit here, bringing my stop loss up accordingly. I hope that helps you guys out, and I'm going to be doing some live trading as well. So go ahead and subscribe. I'm new, but I'm not new to trading. So go ahead and subscribe for me, and I will do some live trading. Thanks guys. Bye bye.